Okay, on question number 35, 36, and 37, these are from Unit 2. This is simplifying radicals. So remember, you just want to simplify the square roots here. So let's review quickly how to do variables. Now the square root of x, remember you can't reduce, but we can take the square root of x squared. Square root of x squared is going to be just x, because the square and the square root cancel, which shows every 2 x's you get 1 on the outside. Okay. Now, if we stick with the evens here, x to the 4th, how many sets of 2 are there? There's 2 sets of 2. So this is going to be x squared. X to the 6th, how many sets of 2? There's 2, 4, 6. So this equals x to the 3rd. We have x to the 8th. This equals x to the 4th. So see, the even numbers just get cut in half. Now if it's an odd number, like x to the 3rd, what you're going to do is you're going to pull 1 away, which is going to stay under the radical, and then this goes down to 2. Now the square root of x squared we know is x. So if we did x to the 5th, what we do is you pull 1 away, switch this into an even, and the square root of x to the 4th we know is x squared. So the square root of x to the 7th, pull 1 away, and this turns into a 6. So this is x cubed. So this is x squared of x squared square root of x cubed square root of x. So if we look at that here, back to 35, square root of 25 is 5. Now, since this is an odd, we know we're going to have a square root of x left. Now this changes into a 4. Square root of x to the 4th is x squared. So this is 5x squared square root of x. On 36, we're looking for the perfect square factor in 32. And recall, to find the largest perfect square quickly, try dividing by the 2, 3, or 5 rule. So if we take 32 divided by 2, you get 16, and 16 is a perfect square. So this is going to be 2 plus or minus, square root of 16 is 4, square root of 2 over 4. But now all 3 of these have common factors of 2, so we can reduce that down. This is going to turn into a 1, plus or minus, this is going to turn into a 2, so this is 2 square root of 2, over, this is going to turn into a 2. So this is 1 plus or minus 2 square root of 2 over 2 as your final answer. Okay? And on the last one, 27, looking for the perfect square factor in 27, we have 9 times 3. So square root of 9 is 3, and we're left with a square root of 3. And then square root of x to the 6th, well, that's an even, so you just take half, so that's x to the 3rd. Okay? So there is a little bit of review on simplifying square roots from Unit 2.